Good morning. It's end of the year and I have to hand in all the finished projects. Today is one of the subjects that I've been the most stressed out, not gonna lie. This is my project which I actually vlogged it on Saturday, so you can check it out. But I did finish it. I have the city here, the CD here, and the bookmarks also, and also the flyer. And I have to handle all of this today. So yeah, it's like 8:15 right now. I have to have breakfast and then leave for college, and I hope I pass. I feel like I will pass, but I have that fear that I'm missing something or I did something wrong and I didn't realize it. But yes, I've been quite stressed, to be honest. Tomorrow I have to hand in another one. I have to finish that today because I have some things missing. It's more of a written project because it's like communication subject, so I have to write a lot. Then the next one I have to hand in is the one on Friday for the brand identity project. I also have to finish that. And next week I have to hand in the typography project. But yes, let's go to have breakfast and go to college and hope I pass. Okay, I'm back home and I'm so exhausted. Literally went second on the line. We have to show what we did, and the teacher gave us feedback and gave us our results. And then we had to wait until the end so she could explain the final exam, which is in December, how it's going to be and what we have to hand in another thing. I literally fell asleep there. Not gonna lie, because it was more of a one-to-one meeting and the other people had to wait. So while we were waiting, I took a little 5-10 minutes nap. And now I'm back home after going to the bank. I'm literally exhausted. I have to cook dinner right now. I'm thinking of eating pasta, but I'll see what to do. But maybe after that, I will take a nap, maybe. The thing is, I work better with pressure. And since I have to hand in something on Wednesday, I feel like I will be able to do it today at night or tomorrow, the whole day. I will pressure to actually hand it. But yes, because I have to also do some client work and edit a video. So I do have to do a lot of things, but I cannot do it because I need to sit down and focus on that thing and not get distracted. Yeah, let's go have some lunch. I have woken up. I literally slept at 4 p.m. and woke up at 7:30 p.m. And afterwards, I did some work for the communication subject and for the brand identity, but I forgot to record because I forgot I was doing a video. It's currently almost 9 p.m. and I will just eat dinner, chill a bit, and go to sleep. I literally slept a lot. The thing is, I sleep a lot to forget the fact that I have to do a lot of things and that I'm stressed and I'm being anxious. So yeah, I will be having dinner right now, chilling. I'll see if I do something about the about client work. If not, I will just go to sleep. I hope you enjoyed seeing me stressed. You had to see me before handing it the projects in the morning. I was literally so stressed. I forgot something and I also reached late. So I was just going to one place to another and I was so stressed. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.